Let go. Hey, okay, I know I'm here to stay. Counting on my wins, so I can't play it safe. Trying to go against us, get you out the way. Go hard, it's the only way to play. Let me say, I'm a trendsetter. I'm a go-getter. I'm a trendsetter. I'm a go-getter. I'm a trendsetter. Who can do it better? I'm a go-getter. I'm a trendsetter. Hey, look, they keep calling me, could you ride this beat? Look, probably. Okay, it ain't no problem. See, I can mold this thing like pottery. Better, I'ma bet on myself. And before the top, and I don't need your help. We set the tempo, we run this thing as simple. Let's go. Let go. Hey, okay, I know I'm here to stay. Counting on my wins, so I can't play it safe. Trying to go against us, get you out the way. Go hard, it's the only way to play. Let me say, I'm a trendsetter. I'm a go-getter. I'm a trendsetter. I'm a go-getter. I'm a trendsetter. Who can do it better? I'm a go-getter. I'm a trendsetter. Hey, look, they keep calling me, could you ride this beat? Look, probably. Okay, it ain't no problem. See, I can mold this thing like pottery. Better, I'ma bet on myself. And before the top, and I don't need your help. We set the tempo, we run this thing as simple. Let's go. Boy, I'm locked in. Know your place, I'm top 10. And all my haters watching, so you know I keep on clocking. It's go time. My whole style of go. Mine. Take my place, I hold mine. Run up, then it's go time. It's show time. Whoa. Yeah, they know I'm the one that set the trends, dog. Tell them tenfold, I'm gonna change the tempo. Okay, tell them I can't play it safe. Got more wins on the way. Gotta show them how to do it. Man, my team making plays. Okay, your team better play off. Sleeping on me, wake up. Too easy just to lay off. Okay, tell me who you know can do it better. I know, they know, we know I'm a trendsetter. Hey, okay, I know I'm here to stay. Counting on my wins, so I can't play it safe. Trying to go against us, get you out the way. Go hard, it's the only way to play. Let me say, I'm a trendsetter. I'm a go-getter. I'm a trendsetter. I'm a go-getter. I'm a trendsetter. Who can do it better? I'm a go-getter. I'm a trendsetter. Hey, look.
There we go. Grab me a box of those outlets right there. Actually, we want the whites. Get this one. Yep. Thank you. All right, let's get you up to speed real quick on just kind of where we're at. We got a lot going on. This is episode 2 of this vlog setup, and we've got a lot more to discuss. I've got several other episodes planned of just going and getting and doing all the things. So, and we'll probably do kind of a final reveal of it all. I don't really know that's necessary. Either way, let me show you what I do have. All right, starting off up in the front, got my presentation table. It's gonna be kind of just a workstation that I can look back at the class from. We got our presentation TV. I got this massive whiteboard. This thing is actually pretty big, even though the camera kind of doesn't necessarily capture how large it is. So from here, I'm gonna be standing here, talking to you there. We've got one more table coming in, supposed to be in this next week, and that's going to give us our, actually no, 2 more tables. We're gonna have 6 rows with 20 chairs, and I got these really, so for folding chairs, these are the only folding chairs, it's those really nice Lifetime ones that I've ever used that I actually cared to sit in for more than 5 minutes. And so that's why I went with these. Like, these were the best folding chairs I've ever got to experience. So just, I absolutely hate going to a training and they've just got the cheapest, most terrible chairs in the world. It sucks. Anyway, we've got 5 stations here. So these are gonna be our workstations. Right now, they're not built out at all, but they will be. So we're gonna have tools, we're gonna have different setups, meters, everything we need at each of the stations. We've got some of the pumps and stuff, or the motors and compressors already set up here. There is more to do. Now, this is by far from finished. As part of some of our later episodes we're gonna have, I've gotta go pick up several more compressors and motors. I've got a lot of other stuff that is being contributed via like CSG Compressor Solutions Group. I've got several others that I'm talking to about getting more equipment in here getting this place fitted out. So there's a lot to do, a lot of equipment to get in here still. But as you can see, like, we're still working on some of the cabinet doors and trying to get that situated. The kitchenette's still kind of torn apart. I haven't got that finished yet. So we're gonna be done by August, but there's just a ton of just little projects on top of just keeping everything moving, right? So as I'm working on this, I have to, keep the academy, keep the emails and all going. We had a couple of weeks where we really backed off of the admin, if you will, so that we could focus on getting this where it's at so far. Now we've kind of entered a phase of, okay, now we really need to figure out how to balance both. That's been interesting, but we're working through it. I'm really liking how my desk is turning out here. Things may change to some degree, but it's great. This has a really nice rug, kind of adds just some comfort dynamic. I don't know what you want to call it, but I've had have my youngest here with me, so got the white noise machine, sit here, get him swinging, taking a nap. I'm cranking on stuff at the computer. I absolutely, I've wanted to do kind of this background wall like this on some level for a long time. For quite some time ago, I had a pegboard assembly that was very similar to this, but it was a much smaller version, and it's what I could fit actually in my home office that I had at the time. And ultimately it didn't really work out the way I needed it to, and so I kind of just had to pivot, and I had the green screen set up for quite a long time. And being able to set this up now and run off of this is it's so awesome, because I've just got all my little trinkets and stuff I've collected over the years, and just fun little pieces I can grab and pull from and talk about during a training or a live stream or whatever we've got going. I just really enjoy it. And then we've got the server set up and all there in the corner for all of our media stuff. Couldn't be more excited for all this. I do really want to give a big shout out to my wife. So one, she does operate as the operations manager here, but two, she has some physical health stuff. I'll just leave it at that. And with that, she got so invested into just getting this site online and getting it to the point where it's at now, and just all the crazy nights that she straight up pushed herself into just a nosedive for several days, that we had to just kind of put a pause on things and get her back on her feet, right? And so genuinely just a huge thank you to Lisa, and just all the care, the support, and everything that she has done to make all this possible, helping with the kids while I'm busy doing whatever. I couldn't be more appreciative of that. I also really appreciate y'all. I appreciate the ability to be here today, to have this facility, to be standing here in front of this camera talking to you now. It's really incredible. This is episode 2 of getting this place set up. More episodes to come as we get more things done and configured and set up. I will be talking to you a lot more. And don't forget, MTT, make the time, guys. Make the time.